Hi everyone, welcome back. We are in module 3 of SharePoint sessions, and module 3 is about intelligent intranet. So this is a new concept we haven't seen in earlier versions of the SharePoint. So basically this talks about how best you can organize your company site and sites within your organization. So before you build a lot of sites or internet sites within your organization, so it is better to plan it out according to the best recommended suggestions and best practices as suggested by Microsoft. And for that to do it, you need to understand what the employees or corporate users could be working on, and what are the activities, and what is the roadmap, and what is the business value that they would be kind of taking it forward. So if you look back, basically employees would be informed and engaged by providing a shared place to securely view and collaborate on the content, and also they can communicate with a very effective way without wasting a lot of effort. And also second point is like building the community and culture within your organization by bringing people together through events, networking opportunities, and strategic communication channels. So here, for example, before you build the internet, you need to set the priorities with the business, with the different users, and determine what are the different scenarios, and how understand how the business operates, and what are the requirements for the business. So once it is determined, you need to take a collective decision on the what kind of channels, and how to the people and leadership teams will interact and prepare and share the organizational events and announcements accordingly. And how best you can enhance the collaboration within the company by giving each and every person an opportunity to connect and share. And also it should be secure and safely stored in a company's environment. And also it will provide a lot of features such as co-authoring the content, and a few of the other tools such as annotate, highlight, and add comments. Also, to achieve some of the specific outcomes, you need to enable users to discover the content by search, and also if at all you are planning to share the content across external users, how to manage the content for external users, also how the devices which are supported can be planned and ahead of the time. Traditional in earlier days, how the modern to traditional internet looks like, this is just a comparison. So basically the traditional intranet had communication primarily through emails, a lot of emails back and forth along with attachment used to do it. And there is a lot of static information used to be there, and the corporate news dominates the news feeds. So with a lot of news feeds that are embedded in the SharePoint pages that the news used to come, and it's a hierarchical collection of the website. That means parent to child kind of mapping was there. However, going forward in the intelligent intranet planning, so basically this would be primarily through the SharePoint sites. All the communication is not only in mails, but pretty much it could be on the SharePoint sites of your companies. And dynamic information through Yammer. There is another tool called Yammer for dynamic information that is generated. Personalized news and content is also shared across to specific audiences, and dynamic collection of experience and services provided with the independent site collections. So those are the differences you see in terms of how the SharePoint would be used. So roadmap to build the intelligent internet. So basically you need to explore and align and plan your organizational goals and business goals, and engage and manage the implementation, and also create and implement and take feedback and repeat the same steps until all the organizational goals are met. This is one of the example I have shown how the intelligent internet can be built. So basically it has started with the business objectives, and created the sites and hub sites, then migrate the content and navigation of the branding, and then link from the corporate web and publish, and for the content maintenance. So if there is anything missing, then again the same activity kind of repeated. So that's all in this video. In the next session I'm going to discuss about module 4, which is about navigation. Thank you and have a good day.